Just the tip, you silly Billy. Silly goose. It's Friday, and it's Big Mike with Let's Ride Motorcycle Repair, your mobile motorcycle technician. Drain plugs. You got a bunch of questions about these bad boys. So when you undo a drain plug, you pop it off and you start spinning it off with your fingers, you realize you go quite a ways unscrewing that thing before oil starts to even drip from it. It's because it's got fine threads on it, and the fine threads that you have on there make sure that it keeps that oil from coming out. There's also usually a base crush washer or a base O-ring that keeps the oil inside the cavity so that it continues to recycle and oil your engine. So there's no reason to take that same drain plug, put it back in, and then once it gets tight, take a wrench and just absolutely and muscle it. You remember when you took it out, it took a ways for those things to even start to drip. So when you put it back on, you don't need to ugga-dugga the snot out of it. I think the torque spec for those is 18 to 24 foot-pounds, if that. Nothing huge. Really, it's not. Now, the other thing that I get a question about is the magnet on those drain plugs. People always ask, well, how much stuff on my magnet is too much stuff? And I'm going to give you what I go by. And when you drain the oil out, take your flashlight, shine it down in the oil. If it sparkles back at you, you got quite a bit of metal in the actual oil. Now, if you shine the light and there's quite a bit of metal in there, look at your drain plug, as you always do, and on your magnet there should be a very, very, very fine goop, I would call it, of metallic material and oil. If you have chunks of metal on your magnet, time to open that thing up and look in there to see exactly what's going on. Sliver or little itty bitty pieces of powder, perfectly fine. That's normal wear and tear. Chunks, you got something that's breaking off, and that is not the tip of the iceberg. That's just what that magnet caught. That's not everything that's in there. So it's better off to just to open it up, clean everything out, see what metal is actually hitting, correct the issue, and then put everything back together. So no ugga-duggas on the drain plugs, none. Big Mike has spoken. The other thing, the goop or the metal shavings that you find on your drain plug magnet, make sure it's very small powder. Chunks, you open it up and clean it out and figure out where the chunks are coming from. But it's Friday, y'all. Enjoy the weekend. Ride safe. Please ride safe. Make sure you got two rubbers on the road at all times. Don't be a knothead. Don't be stupid. Get home. All fingers, all arms, all legs attached. All right? For now, Big Mike with Let's Ride Motorcycle Repair, your mobile motorcycle technician, saying, hey, let's ride.